Hey guys, so I wanted to try out the 5-minute get ready with me challenge. I am notoriously really slow at doing my makeup. So yeah, I'm curious to see how far I can get. Yes, I should be faster. I've been doing my makeup for so many years, but I'm still quite slow. Okay, just a couple of things. I already did prep and prime my face, so I guess that's a bit cheating. And I also tried out the new Anastasia 3-in-1 brow gel I got from Ulta. And I think it's like, I still need to work on the brows. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I think it doesn't look horrible. So I think this is actually a great tool. And let me tell you what color I got if you're interested. I got soft brown, so it looks subtle. It doesn't make me look scary. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to start the timer and see how far I get. Okay, I'm going to start. Okay, I don't know how much I can talk because I'm bad at multitasking. Okay, I am going to first prime my eyes using, this is About Face. I feel like I'm really bad at talking and doing this in a rush. Okay, today I'm actually going to be using, I'm going to try, I don't know if this is a good time to be trying new things, so Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Strip. I got this palette, forgot about it, got very little use. Okay, this palette smells really bad. I just want to put that out there. It smells like overdose of sunblock. Okay, I'm going to first apply a base shade, Butter Pecan. Guys, I'm actually really liking this Anastasia brow gel. I'm surprised. I used to be so intimidated doing my brows, but now I want to experiment and keep working on them. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with this nice black sand shade. Just going to create a nice fresh eye look, like I would do if I had to be out the door. But yeah, have you guys been buying anything from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty? If you need some help or recommendations, I made some videos just reacting to each drop, so feel free to check those out. But yeah, I'm kind of annoyed how they're doing that little 1 week unveiling thing in advance. I much prefer them showing everything all at once, but I know they're doing that to prevent Sephora from stealing the deals, but they're still doing it anyways. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with, I'm just going to mix all the shimmers. I literally only use this palette I think maybe I want to say I only used it twice, because I think it was on sale and then I got a lot of holiday palettes and I forgot about it. Okay, then I'm going to mix in, I'm just going to mix in shimmers because I'm going to create a nice little sun-kissed look going on. Yeah, I think this palette's pretty nice other than the horrible smell, but it's got I think it's a great palette for the summer or the spring. Okay, I'm just going to do a little quick time check because I'm a little worried. Oh my god, I only have 1 minute and 56 seconds left. I can't even talk. Okay, then I'm just going to apply. But honestly, guys, I think I'm okay with, if I'm really in a time crunch, I'm okay with just getting some eyeliner on, skipping the mascara routine, and just, getting out the door. I know some people are no, mascara is, the main part of makeup. But I think, some good eyeliner is, the main crux of your makeup look. That's just my opinion. Okay. Then I want to try this little trick thing, hopefully to speed things up. Okay, I wonder if there are people who actually are able to put on their falsies in 5 minutes, because that's major props right there. I think I would need at least like 30 minutes if I wanted to mix in some falsie action. I've heard people say like if you get the lash extensions, it's so fast doing your makeup, so something to think about if you're always in a time crunch like me. Okay. Oh my gosh, I only have 9 seconds left. I don't even think I have time to put on my blush. Yikes. Okay, the time ran out, but so I guess lesson is in 5 minutes I can only get my eyeliner on and apply the shadow. So yes, I'm pretty slow. Okay, let me know how you guys did and if you try out this challenge.